how to set up Streamlabs. So let's get started with it. First of all, download the application Streamlab on your phone and then launch it. After that, you need to log in. Tap on next and you can choose the option for what you will use Streamlabs for. Just choose on one option. I'm gonna go with stream your camera and tap next. And here you can select the layout or you can skip the option. I'm gonna skip it for now. And to go live, you need to enable your camera and enable your microphone. And then here is how you can go live on this app. So what you need to do is tap on go live, and here you can connect accounts you want to go live with. Like if you want to go with Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, Trovo, anything, just tap on one of it and you will be done. Or if the option is not here from any of the app, you may just go to custom RTMP and tap the name, URL, and stream key and tap on save. For now, let's say I want to stream with YouTube. So I'm going to tap login on YouTube. After that, I need to give confirmation. So tap on continue. And then there you go. You can see our primary stream destination is YouTube for now. If you want to log out of it, just tap on logout option and you'll get out of it. So after that, I'm going to teach you some of the settings. What you need to do is tap on this menu icon, and here you can see themes, scenes, rewards, disconnect protections, alerts, account settings, streaming settings, and advanced settings. So here among your options, disconnect protection is one of the very important function of this app. When you tap on it, so what happens is if you enable this option, this will help you to keep streaming until you reestablish your connection. So even if you have some Wi-Fi issue or network issue, it will help you not disconnect for some time being and help you stream more smoothly. After this, let's go back. Here I'm gonna tap on alerts. So what alerts does is show all the alerts that you have in your stream, like Twitch bits, follows, likes, shares, or your subscription, your members, which will help you get information like what is happening on your stream right now. If anyone has subscribed you, if anyone has donated you, or if anyone has purchased your item, this option, if it is enabled, will give you alerts about everything that is going on your stream, which is a very helpful function of this app. So here another function is streaming settings. Just tap on streaming settings and go to audio settings. You can change the audio camcorder recommended. You can add your internal audio, or you also have other functions that you may just set to yourself. And on video, you can just select the resolution and expect the frame rate. You can just arrange according to whatever you like. And let's go back. And here you can see the event list. Just turn it on and your events will be shown on your streams. And likewise, there are other options which you may set for your stream to be more convenient. So these are the basic settings that you can set on your Streamlabs on your mobile phone, which will help you stream more conveniently your games and your everything. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.